to use plastic, but the same parents who are my age, who are elder to me or a little younger to me, they will go in the market, फाल्या सकाळी बाजारान वयतली, नुस्तें घेतली, रुचीक सुंगटां, रुचीक बांगडे, ताल्ले, सारखे न्हू, तेच प्लास्टिक बॅगान हाडटली काय हाडचे ना? Including your parents. Yes or no? Yes. So we have to see where this problem has started. What do you think? Who is the problem? Who? Everybody is the problem. All the parents, our own parents, including myself, all of us who are here, we are creating this garbage intentionally. When I said intentionally means we know that we are doing something wrong. We know that we are polluting this environment. We know that we are creating harm to our beautiful Goa. I have some pictures of this beautiful Goa. When my father was 15 years old, 16 years old, he had a camera. So he had clicked so many pictures. And this beautiful Goa was totally different. He आमचे सोबीत सुंदर गोय. म्हाका दिसता slowly ह्याचो color change जाता. So green आहलो तो वयता, तितून plastic येता. आतां beautiful program organized by Saraswat students. It is really touching program because this subject is very dear to my heart. There are very few people who are really concerned about this garbage. We see garbage everywhere. And our generation, not yours, you are just coming up. Our generation, we are the cause of this. जे आमी हांगा वयर बोल्ल्या, आमचे generation. Means when I was 25 till now I am 40. Last 15 years this problem has become so big. हे problem येदे व्हडले जाला गेल्या 15 वर्सां. आनी आमी कांयच करूंक ना. आमी कांयच करूंक ना. म्हणजे कितें जे पॉलिटिशियन आसले, लोक म्हणटा ड्युटी तेंची. रूल पास जालो की गार्बेज जो तर उडयत जाल्यार ताका फायन घालपाक जाय. प्लास्टीक यूज करीत जाल्यार फायन घालपाक जाय. नुस्त्याच्या बाजारान व्हेजिटेबल शॉप, ग्रॉसरी शॉप, ग्रॉसरी म्हणजे तेल, तांदूळ, साखर मेळटा पळय ताका ग्रॉसरी शॉप म्हणटात. तितून जो तर तुका प्लास्टीक बॅग दीत जाल्यार ताका फायन घालपाक जाय. तुका दिसता कोण तरी फायन घालता गो आयज? तुमकां दिसता? कित्याक घालिना? कित्याक घालिना? Because the system is not right. System is not right. System is not functioning. Nobody is doing their job what they have to do. If we are saying we are generating so much of plastic every day, we are responsible for it. And when we are saying we are responsible, yet we are not ready to bring in the change. Kon hattalo hi change? Who will bring the change? Your generation, I think, will have to bring the change. Because आम्ही कितले सांगले म्हणून we are not bringing the change. Administration जेन्ना चलता, government जेन्ना चलता, तितून strong जे वयले bureaucrats असतात, तेंच्यांनी ही change हाडपाक जाय. आणि आम्ही फोर्स करपाक जाय तेंकां ही हाडपाक. त्या खातीर तुम्ही कोणे गार्बेज प्लांटान येयल्या आमच्या वयर आमी व्हडलो गार्बेजाची फॅक्टरी बांदल्या. कितले जाण येयल्या? कलांगूट प्लॅटोचेर सालिगांवसून वयर चोडोन वचपाक जाय. दॅट इज अ प्लॅटो ऑफ कलांगूट. कोण पावल्या? आनीक हिंगासर जी स्टुडंट्स आहात तुमी येवपाक जाय थिंगा. आय एम गिविंग यू एन इन्विटेशन and we'll give you lunch also over there. I want to know how many of you all will come. Means your school have to organize it. In the garbage factory you can have lunch. That much of cleanliness is there. But if you go to any town, I'm not talking only of Mapsa, you go to Margaon, you go to Panjim, you go to some places in Kalangut. Kalangut we are trying to clear as much garbage we can. but this garbage is generated 60% to 65% of this garbage. This garbage generates every day. This is plastic. And plastic is being easily available. अशेच मेवता तें खंयचे नुस्त्याच्या बाजारान गेलो जाल्यार सगळीं जाणां नुस्तेकारां ते घेवन आहा अशी लायिल्ले आहा ते, which is actually cannot be given. Rule says that you cannot give that plastic. खंयच्या शॉपान गेलो थिंगा मेवता, वेजिटेबल घेतले थिंगा मेवता, केळी घेतली थिंगा मेवता. तूं कितेंय घे, you buy a thing of even 5 rupees, they'll give you a carry bag free. So I think this has to change. Out of 100% garbage जी आज क्रिएट जाता, तितूनसून जर आमी प्लास्टिक बॅन म्हणत जाल्यार in 1 week if we start implementing fines